Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I've got just a few leftover colors and a 5 by 7 inch canvas and my silicone rubber brushes, some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, and a desire to use my paint up, which I may or may not be able to do. But I'm going to try. I want to put some orange in. I'm thinking maybe it ought to be something I have more of than less, which is the saffron. Although I really want something lighter, a little yellow-orange. I may have more paint than I can use. Hopefully I get some colorfulness out of this. I'm thinking it's going to have to be a scoop. In order to work. So maybe I'll just switch horses in midstream and grab a scoop. Scoops are just plastic with folded edges. I have to put the rest of my paint on my silicone mat that's just recently been cleaned off. Unless I can get rid of most of it. And I can actually cover the whole canvas if I want to. Okay, that's it. The rest is going to have to go somewhere else. I used as much as I possibly can. Do I want to do anything with dots? I've got a nail art tool. And I happen to be a big fan of dots. Since it's easy enough to steal the paint right out of the composition, that ought to work fine. Can't help it, I just love dots. I think the colors are going to be fantastic. Yep, I really like that. Once you start, it's hard to stop. Oh yeah. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.